Hi friends, today in Tech Talk 101 SD. How you can create your 3D avatar on Facebook. First you need the updated Facebook app. Open the app and click on 3 lines on the corner. When menu is opened now in all shortcuts on the bottom click see more. When it expands click on avatars. First you have to select your skin tone. Then next select hairstyle and hair color. Next face shape and then facial lines. Then eye shape and color. Next eyelashes then eyebrows and color. Then bindi and eyewear if you prefer. Then nose shape. Nose piercings. Select mouth shape and lip color. Then facial hair and color. Body. Clothes. Head wear and its color. Ear piercing and hearing devices if any. Now your avatar will created. Click next then you can use your avatar in comments next. Subscribe for more info like this.